over and over.
Okay.
So we're talking about the order of sharps. The order of sharps is always the same. So the order of sharps is always, if you were to have one sharp, F. One sharp would never be G. One sharp would never be D. The first sharp is always F. So if your key signature has one sharp, its sharp is going to be F. And it's never going to live on the first space. It's always going to live up there. Now, does it apply to every F that you could have? Absolutely. But in the key signature, it's only going to live on the top line. If you have two sharps, it's going to be F and C. Notice my sharp has to be living on that line to know that it's F, and this sharp has to be living on that space to know that it's C. So, when we're drawing our note heads, when we're drawing our sharps and flats, you have to be intentional at where you draw it to make sure it's on the right line or it's incorrect. You can't just draw two sharps and it be expected to know that it's F and C. They have to live on the right spot. If it's three sharps, F, C, G. Four sharps, F, C, G, D. And you read it left to right, just like we read music. And so while you have to be intentional with putting it on the line or the space, you also have to be intentional making sure that F is first, and then C, and then G, making sure that they're not right on top of each other. Making sense? Now, look at the bottom. Look at the bottom of your worksheet. There are some key signatures drawn. There are some key signatures, and it wants you to circle the mistake. You know it's wrong if you go, okay, what's the order? The first one, let's look at the first one, okay? The first one has, let's look at number 2. The first sharp is F. Is that correct? The second sharp is C. Is that correct? The third sharp is G. Is that correct? Now, look at the top in your square. What's the fourth sharp supposed to be? D. What's the fourth sharp on number 2 at the bottom? So is that correct? No, so that's your mistake. Thumbs up if you got that. That was okay? Let's look at flats now. We're going to go to the bottom and look at flats. The order of flats is always B, P, E, A, D, greatest common factor, G, C, F. And they're always going to be drawn like that. They're always going to be drawn like that. So if you have one flat in your key signature, what's the one flat? B. If you have 2, B and E. If you have 3, B, E, A. Does that make sense? Good. So I'm going to give you a couple of minutes to do your circled mistakes at the bottom. What you're looking for is correct order and correct placement. If they're not living on the right line or space, you know it's wrong. Cool? End.